RC2 is your vaccine central, and tonight one local hospital group is taking a strong stance when it comes to its employees.
Mandatory vaccinations for everyone who works for Houston Methodist. KPRC2 health reporter Haley Hernandez is part of our Vaccine Central team and joins us now with more details about this plan. Haley?
That's right. Houston Methodist becomes one of the first big hospitals to say these vaccines are mandatory for everyone who works there, which strikes a nerve with many people. But what they remind you is since their employees work with sick, fragile patients daily, this is no different than requiring their staff to have a flu shot.
They've already vaccinated almost 500,000 people, and now Houston Methodist wants to require all of their own employees to be vaccinated. Senior Vice President of Human Resources at Methodist, Carol Hackett, spoke to me this afternoon.
Haley, we have 84% of our employees that have already been vaccinated.
This letter from President and CEO Dr. Mark Boom, he says 100% of the hospital's executives are already vaccinated, but they soon plan to focus on those down the chain of command who are not. You now have until April 15th to receive at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine or get an approved exemption. If not, we will follow HR policy on non-compliance.
Certainly, we do allow exemptions for medical exemption or religious exemptions. But truly, if they don't have any exemptions, then they can be terminated.
In a letter from President and CEO Dr. Mark Boom, he says 100% of the hospital's executives are already vaccinated, but they soon plan to focus on those down the chain of command who are not. He says they will notify managers of everyone in their department who has not gotten one, and you now have until April 15th to receive at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine or get an approved exemption. If not, we will follow HR policy on non-compliance.
The number of our employees getting sick with COVID has greatly reduced as the number of vaccines have increased.
Now, this is something KPRC2 has been working on, the breakdown of the percentage of medical workers who have received the vaccine. It is on our website right now, click2houston.com. Now, remember, these are people who fall under 1A and have had many months to get access to a vaccine. Dominique?